Hi everyone and welcome to my very first makeup video. Clean your face first as I motion very weirdly. First I use a primer from Milani, evenly distributed between both eyelids, obviously. First color I'm using is Naked from the Burgundy palette, and I'm using it as my base color, so I spread it evenly across my eyelids like the primer. Next I use a burgundy shade and I put it on the center of my eyelid. Next I'm using the shade Almond on the outside of my eyelid. I put it pretty much right next to the burgundy shade. After that I lightly brush my lid with a blending brush. Last I go to the color Dubai and I put it over the burgundy shade. Using a black eyeliner pencil by Wet n Wild, I draw a thin line under my waterline, not on it. Then, using a liquid liner by Milani, I carefully draw another thin line on the top of my lid. I'm taking an adhesive by Duo, D-U-O, and applying a thin line onto the lash line. After letting it dry for about 30 seconds, I use a pair of lash tweezers to carefully push the lash onto my lash line. I'm using an eyelash curler in So Lashy mascara by Maybelline to pretty much blend my lashes into the false lashes to make it look like one set of lashes. For my foundation, I'm using Fenty Beauty number 410. I really want to be 420, but that's for another time. I'm applying it and blending it with a beauty blender. Also, make sure you get your neck and your chin and your chest. So I'm using the brand Black Radiance's Creme contour kit with the shades medium to dark. I'm taking a flat brush and blending it into the contour color or the darkest color. As the palette instructs, I put it on my hairline, my jawline, along my cheek, and on the side of my nose. Put that on my nose above the contour cheek line, on my forehead, my cupid's bow, and my chin. Next, with my beauty blender, I blend outwards and back. Then I'm taking a small brush and using it on another contour palette that I got from Forever 21. I'm just using a lighter shade as my highlighting shade along the top of my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, and my chin, and blending it out with a blending brush. Now I'm taking a finishing powder by NYX and lightly applying and blending it with the same blending brush. After that, I go back to the Black Radiance palette and wipe the Illuminate shade on my cheeks, nose, forehead, and above my lips. And now an awkward segment of me posing and trying to look cute. Awesome. Please feel free to comment, like, and subscribe, and also follow me on my social media provided in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon, or you see me soon. Bye!